Hi, and welcome everybody to why we should sell Nvidia stock. And I'll walk you through the technical chart and kind of give you the reasons why it's a good time either not to buy the stock or to sell it. Right now, we're taking a look at the 5-year chart, and you can see from the volume quite high, 2 billion shares traded, and it's giving a lot of momentum to lift the stock up over the years. But as you can see from a 5-year chart, things start to slowly come down as the volume goes down. So as we see the volume slowly drying up from the 2 billion shares down to 600, 500 million shares, the stock is stuck in a trading range of 160 from the last year to 208. And every time it goes to 208, the sellers are pushing it down. So far today on Friday, last Friday, it went to $208, but you can see the volume just isn't there. So right now we have weak volume. The trend is up, but it's going sideways, and I don't think it's a good idea for anybody to take a new position on it. And if they have a position, they should sell due to the fact that it is on weak volume. But what's another reason why you should sell? You can see in the year, uh, the the stock is just trading sideways. It goes up, goes down, goes back up, then it goes down. But the fundamental reason, if you look at this chart, is that there's a downward trend. So we're at Fenves, you can see that even if it goes up, the technical indicators are showing that there is a downward slant that is going to go down. So the trend based on the way it's going, it's not making new highs, kind of has a resistance at 208, but it's slowly going down, as you can see from the week volume of $190 to 175. But one of the biggest reasons I think people should sell or not buy this is the number of insider sellers who are just selling it for the last year. You can see from this graph, from the insider trading volume, about 589 million shares last June. 24 insiders have traded, but you can see that over the trend that they're just continuing to sell for the last year. And there are large numbers of shares being sold, 300,000, 200,000 recently, another $1.7 million. So, I mean, 1.7 million in volume. So a lot of shares are being traded, 303 million. If you go down, the CEO has just been selling like crazy. So from an insider perspective, as you can see, a lot of the insiders are just selling uh, on huge. So if we think the company's doing great, there wouldn't be so many insider sellers. So that's the tip of the week, just to make sure that if you want to sell it, if you're thinking of taking a new position, as you can see, there's a downward trend, and kind of the prediction is that it'll trend either sideways or go down in the long term. All right, you guys, happy trading. Have a wonderful day now. Take care. Bye bye.